Good afternoon. I will just show you how to use referencing. It is very important that you have to use proper referencing. Now, how do we do that referencing? If you look at APA style, APA's full form is American Psychological Association. You can search on Google and find out APA guides, APA guidelines. They will tell you how to publish, how to cite, how to give proper referencing. And APA referencing would be something like if I am the writer, then it will be something like Jain, TK, years, name of the book, and then publisher. Something like that. So here in APA style sheet, the surname of the author is given first. Yes, in APA style, the surname is given first. Surname, then name. The second name will come first, then come the first name, then the year of publication, then the name of the title of the book or the title of the article, and then publisher. This is how APA style is cited. On the other hand, in some styles, it is the first name which is given first. But in APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, all these styles, the surname is given first. Surname, then name, then first name, then the name of the article, name of the book, and then publisher. The Vancouver style or the Chicago style or the MLA style give the year of publication at the end. But in APA style, the year of publication is, in referencing, it is given first, just after the name. So, of course, now plenty of softwares are available. You can use these softwares. Similarly, you can use BibText, EndNote, RefMan, RefWorks, and other such applications which can help you in citing. So you may learn these techniques and give proper citation. If you have given proper citation, then your article will not be rejected on the basis of this ground. So learn it. It is going to help you.